We are so far in the middle of nowhere that if you gave me a map of Ireland, I probably couldn't pin this on the map because it is close to nothing. Rolling hills, green trees, and oh, there's cows everywhere. And then there's us and this gorgeous little gem of a place. Let me walk you through it. Me myself, I want a white stone house, but if I didn't go for white stone, I would go for this grey wood. It is very common in Sweden and I just love the color of it. Oh, and you never have to paint it, so low maintenance. There's this beautiful outdoors area here before you enter the house with a little bench, and also we just like to have a drink out here in the evenings because the sun comes down. So very pretty, but without further ado, let's get inside. Welcome! Up, up, up! Take your shoes off. We're not barbarians. On the ground floor we have the lounge going into the sunken kitchen. And take a look at that view. Have you seen anything more summery, green, fresh? David and I have been here now for 3 weeks. We're gonna be here 4 weeks in total because we needed a break from work, from the city, from pollution, from noise. So we are here to detox. I will do a special video about that, like going off the grid for a month. So if you wanna check that out, it's gonna be out next week, I think, right babe?
Yeah.
This is the area where we have been like hanging out in the evenings. This is probably my favorite spot because on the one hand, you have the lake, the trees, the grass, the cows. On the other hand, you have this gorgeous fireplace. So you kind of have to decide which way to look at, which view you want. Life is tough. This is where the magic happens. No, not that kind of magic. I'm talking about, this is where we're watching Amazing Race. We are probably, have we seen 2.5 seasons, almost 3 seasons of Amazing Race? We are reading, we are writing, we're watching some movies, we're eating a lot. I have some lovely holiday kilos that I've been working on assimilating. Check out this nice feature. All these doors open right up to the outdoor space. This is where we barbecue. This is where we have our cocktail hour. This is where we just hang out in the evening and the sun comes shining in when it's sunny. I mean, hey, it is Ireland, that's all. Now I'm standing on the floor. Now I'm standing on the kitchen bench. This is not sanitary at all. I'm gonna get over here. But how cool is that, that the floor actually becomes the bench? Overall, the attention to details in this house is amazing. And this color combination of the orange wood, which I normally don't like, with the grey pebbled stone is just like, I think it's beautiful. And look over here, such clever storage. All of these humongous drawers just pops out with all your glasses, your plates and everything. I love these. So easy to keep things organized. Should we get drawers like these whenever we build our house, babe?
I think so.
The dishwasher and the pantry and the fridge all have the same wood finish as everything else. And I just love how cohesive it is. Iced coffee, anyone? Oh, don't worry. It's a metal straw. Tofu. Smoked tofu. Leftover tofu. My favorite food. This house is actually built on a spot where there used to be this old farmhouse, and they saved this wall to kind of create more character and more personality to the house. I just love it.
It lights up in the evening.
Yeah, they have like this fancy uplight so you can really appreciate it in the night. This morning David went out and got these flowers for me, but I did ask him to, didn't I?
Yes.
Really pretty though. Final spot to show you downstairs is the dining table. You have a very nice view of the cows out there. They're not there at the moment. It would be so nice if they were there now so you could see just how pretty these cows are. Actually, ever since we got here, David and I have started this fantasy of one day building a house and then buying the plot of land next to it and creating like a farm sanctuary for cows and goats and sheep and chicken and all that, just to have them walk around living their lives until they die of natural causes. What other animals do you want?
Cats.
I want geese. Geese are really cool. I like how they walk.
Boring animal.
No, I mentioned the attention to detail and I just wanted to show you this, that all the doors down here to like storage room and washing machines and whatever are in the same wood as the actual walls, so they're kind of hidden. Just makes it look so much more kind of seamless, so that you don't like sit having dinner and you're like watching a door. It's not that fancy. So this is, I don't know, I just really like that they thought about everything. What's next?
Upstairs.
Upstairs? Okay. Balcony 1. Upstairs, where should we start?
Well, there's 2 bedrooms.
Well, actually, this second bedroom, let me just close this door because we just use this as storage. We just put all of our clothes in piles on the beds. It's like a walk-in bedroom closet. So you don't want to see this. Instead, let's check out the bathroom. I love how light and airy this bathroom is. It is quite tight, but everything is white except for the same wooden finishes as downstairs, which makes it, because of the natural daylight and all the white, it makes it feel very fresh and open, although it isn't like a big space. I always love when bathrooms have natural light, because if you do your hair or makeup, or just like to not feel like you're walking into a closet every day that you're having a shower. I can stand here having a shower, looking out at the trees around me. Sometimes there are cows out there I can look at. Sometimes David is out and I can wave to him from the shower. Very romantic. Whenever we build our own house or buy an apartment or something, I will make sure that there is natural light in the bathroom. Master bedroom is pretty lovely. You feel like you're sleeping in a tree house under the canopy of this gorgeous big tree. So calming. I love this bedroom. I wish this were my bedroom. 8 hours out of the day, you will find me here, gazing up at the tree. David, come do a bird's eye view of this. Not a bird's eye, I mean first person shooter angle. Quite calming, isn't it? Surprisingly, this weird little corner behind me has become one of my favorite spots in this house. It is the Vanity Corner. I sit here, I do my makeup more or less every day, and I just listen to some audiobook or some music, and I look at the tree, and you know, when there's sun outside, the sun sifts in through the tree. It makes like gorgeous shadows and like movements all around it here. Also covers the bed, so in the morning you wake up with like sun shadows in your face. It is so lovely. The concrete square behind me is actually the chimney coming up from the fireplace downstairs. And the fireplace has this nice finish, you know, the pebbled, the same as the floor downstairs, the pebbled finish on it. But up here it's just raw concrete. They even have like measurements written on and everything. And I do quite like that they kept it this raw in this very romantic bedroom. It's a nice contrast that I don't know, I just feel like they thought about everything here. And ooh, is this a house you could ever see yourself living in? We have been so lucky to have been spending so much time here this summer. I can really recommend you guys testing this out. If you want just like a week away from everything, I would really recommend booking this. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check this place out for yourself. We have not been like sponsored or anything. We've paid for this ourselves, just so you know. If you want to hear more about what we've been doing out here and how we have been handling going off social media, going off the grid for a month, then next week is your week. Do you like these like tours whenever we go somewhere that we show you the places that we visit? Then let me know, give me a thumbs up or tell me in the comments if you want to see more of these videos. But I can smell firewood. I can smell the, it's becoming a bit more cloudy. I think there's a rain might be coming in, and we have a fireplace going on downstairs, so excuse me while I go and read 3 books. See you guys next week. Puss puss and hej då!
Go towards the door, open it up, and this person is coming towards me, but with a speed,
yeah,
like very assertive, like
yeah.
like
chup, chup,
in a
chup,
hurry,
chup.
like out of the car and like woof, woof, towards me, and I open the door and like hi there, like
Hello.
yeah, and he says something.